BagEZ bag holders adapt to make disposing indoor trash easy. Stand food packaging, grocery or shopping plastic bags, wide open. Or, conveniently place and hang bio or plastic bags to make cleaning up quick. Designed to hang off any kitchen drawer or cabinet. To make throwing away food scraps and household waste easy. BagEZ sets up in seconds. Open, place, and close, it's that easy. BagEZ fits most cabinets. And rests securely in place, for peace of mind. Including hanging under the kitchen sink. Or off drawer handles and doorknobs. Press on the clips to secure bags. It's that simple. BagEZ makes disposing waste anywhere easy.